Have you ever had an ingrown toenail or know someone who does? Did you know you can treat ingrown nails at home? In today's video, you will learn 3 homemade treatments for your toenails. There are different reasons for an ingrown toenail, and the main one is cutting your nails wrong, which facilitates abnormal growth and makes it grow under the skin, causing pain. Other causes for ingrown toenails include injuring your feet. Some accidents like hitting your toes on something can deform the toenail and make it grow inside the skin. Wearing small or tight shoes, your toes get crowded, making the nails enter the skin. Having small toes. In some people, the nail grows more than the size of their toes, making it develop under the skin. Also, ingrown toenails are more common in people with a malformation on nails or feet. In these cases, it is necessary to be more careful when cutting the nails. At the end of this video, we will show you the right way of cutting nails to avoid ingrown toenails. But for now, let's see some natural medicines that you can use to help. Leave your feet soaking in hot water. When you suffer from ingrown nails, soaking your feet with hot water a few times a day can help alleviate the swelling, pain, and sensibility. Fill a small basin with warm water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat it 3 to 4 times a day to get some relief.
Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos.
Epsom salt. Epsom salt, scientifically known as magnesium sulfate, is efficient in treating ingrown nails. It softens the skin around the ingrown nail, facilitating its removal. It also reduces inflammation. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt to a basin with warm water. Soak your feet in the solution for 20 minutes. Remove your feet from the water and dry them well. Repeat it 3 to 4 times a week. Turmeric. You can also use turmeric to eliminate the discomforts of ingrown nails like pain, swelling, and inflammation. Curcumin, a turmeric compound, has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic actions. Make a paste using 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder and some mustard oil. Rub the paste over the affected toe and cover it with a bandage. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times a day for several days. You can also boil 1 spoon of turmeric in a glass of milk. Drink it twice a day to reduce pain and accelerate the healing process. To get results with these treatments, you need to cut and file your nails in a square shape. If the infection persists, seek the help of a health professional. A podiatrist, dermatologist, orthopedist, or general practitioner can help you. But how do we cut our nails correctly to avoid ingrown nails? The nails should be in a straight line. Avoid cutting the sides, as they guide growth direction and can develop under the skin if cut. Avoid cutting your nails too short, as it increases the risk of your nail folding and penetrating the toe. Do it and share your experience with us. Attention! If you suffer from diabetes, poor circulation in the feet, or lesions in the leg or feet nerves, do not treat your ingrown nails at home.